Hey guys, my name is Rados and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a poke bowl. This is a dish coming from Hawaii. It's really easy to prepare. However, they're making it usually with salmon or with tuna. But for my choice of protein, I decided to switch it for tofu. So today we're making a vegetarian version. If you take out the eggs, you can make it a vegan version. I'm sure you're gonna love this. It's really simple, super decorative, and crazy delicious. So stick around for the next couple of minutes and let me show you how to make a poke bowl. So to begin, I will take some firm tofu, roll it in a cotton cloth, and put a heavy object on top and leave it to drain for about 10 to 15 minutes. While that's draining, cook 1 cup of quinoa with 2 cups of water and a pinch of salt. On the side, we will cook 2 eggs. Once quinoa starts boiling, we will remove it from the heat. Cover it up and leave it to steam for around 15 minutes. Once the eggs are medium done, remove them and put them in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Cut the tofu into 3 slices sideways and then divide them into even rectangles. Now for the tofu marinade, add a small splash of soy sauce, a bit of honey, and some salt and pepper. Add a splash of olive oil and then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Gently toss it around until all the starch is absorbed. Spread them out on a tray lined with baking paper and bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Now, this is the part where you can get creative. Here you can basically add any fresh veggies or pickled ones that you like. I will put carrots, bell peppers, spring onions, avocados, and some canned beans. At the moment, I don't have kimchi, but if you do, it will go great with this. The combination of spicy and sour goes really well with this poke bowl. For the dressing, you can take a small glass jar. To that, add 1 tablespoon of honey, a splash of balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, pepper and salt, and mix it well until it all emulsifies. And now for the assembly. I'm making the portion for 2 in 1 bowl, but if you want, you can separate it and make 2 portions. Layer the quinoa down and start placing all the toppings. Once you're done, sprinkle it with some toasted sesame seeds and put the dressing on top. Bon appetit! Hey guys, welcome back. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, as always, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Until next time, see you!